Hey everyone, welcome to Let's Do This with Evan. Before starting a YouTube channel 3 years ago, I myself was a student of YouTube University. Problem was, the people I was trying to follow along with weren't using my tools, dealing with the same kind of space, or even near the same skill set. They were light years ahead, usually using lingo I didn't know. I knew there had to be others like me, where I wanted to see things I knew I could try to tackle and not with a $10,000 tool, or cooking a Wagyu steak with a $300 knife, or building a barnadorium. Sure, there's plenty of room for them, and there's room for us too. I can't remember another content creator ever talk about only filming video, editing videos after their full-time job, after they fed their kids and put them to bed. Now there's taking care of the chores, paying bills, and you get it. This is real life, and that's what I want to project out there. I want to showcase my growing skills and some honed in ones in real life scenarios. I was a butcher at a family meat shop for 11 years, and I still fill in now and then, which make it like 23 years. But it wasn't until I owned a home and inherited some tools that I took up woodworking. I've always wanted to save money from having the professionals fix things, and I never had much of it. Money, that is. So I would do everything I could with the tools I had, put in paver patios, build wet bars, laying floors, fixing my own appliances. I would do plumbing, wood fencing, home repair, brewing beer, cutting meat, and doing very light electrical work, which really led me to where I am in starting this channel. I feel the need to challenge myself to where I get to say, let's do this. I would never have thought 3 years ago I would have sold a table I made, yet here we are. I sold 4 of them. Now I'm having fun doing things like rehabbing campers, building custom furniture, making art pieces, building custom shelving, upcycling antique power tools, finding cheap fixes to my vehicles, and saving boatloads on keeping tradesmen out of my house. And hopefully I can help you too, or at least entertain you the next time you're fixing something, cooking up your next meal, brewing some beer, or who the heck knows. Thanks for hanging in there, and together, let's do this.